como eso, como que el hombre se encuentra ahorita de Parral. Me imagino que esta carne está buena, porque nadie ha regresado.
Hi guys, so good evening and welcome back to my magical world. It's me, Frostbite, your favorite celebrity here in the Philippines. So malapit na yung Halloween. That is why. Just look at my face. So it's 22:50 in the evening and yan. Yung mga parang bagay, no? So it's October 30th of the year 2024. Yan, correct. Medyo ano yung utak ko ngayon, guys. Like, I don't know what is going on. I feel so drained, so down. And yeah, I need some time alone. Right now, I don't know, maybe I just need a lot of rest. So I'm not really sure if papasok ako bukas, cause I just don't know. So ayan, hindi ako, ewan ko guys, it's a windy day, it's a windy night, so it's good that I get to breathe some fresh air. Well, it is still fresh kasi okay naman yung simoy ng hangin ngayon. So medyo ano tayo ngayon, mellow evening muna ngayon. Don't worry, mamaya magbabasa tayo ng book just so my mind won't wander. Kasi I've been rethinking life lately and I don't know, I'm not usually like this. Usually I have a lot of energy. I just medyo nakaka-burnout lang yung daloy ng patients today. So, yung first patient kasi today, medyo, diba, the first thing in the morning, diba, it sets the mood of the entire day. So, yung first patient pa lang is pasaway na. Like, diba, may mga days na ganun. Hindi pa kanina kasi, hindi pa ako nakakapag-coffee in the morning. So, my mind is not fluctuating and working out with the flow. And wala akong patience. When it's morning, diba? So, the first patient and after that, siguro, after a few minutes, may another challenging patients again. So, it's crazy that I have to handle those things. Muntik na ako guys parang nasa verge ako kanina naiirita na ako. Like, I'm usually very patient, diba? As a human being for now. Diba? With this flesh. So, naloka ako. Basta naloka lang ako. And, I don't know. Siguro hindi ko alam what is going on lately. I feel so scattered. My energy is so scattered. I don't know if it's because of Pluto or basta. Buti na lang, I'm just so happy na every time I came home, like, sinasalubong ako ni Snow, my favorite dog. So, yun, siya, papalambing. So, ayan, we will proceed So, I hope okay lang din kayo, no? So, mag-uundas na naman. And, kung may gusto kayong puntahan, pwede na naman puntahan sila. Siguro, 'diba? Ito na yung time to 'di ba? Yung puntahan natin yung mga loved ones natin from the other dimensions. So, I don't know what kind of practice do you do. Kasi, I remember when yung sa Manila, yung nasa Manila pa ako, like, the people who are in there, hindi naman lahat not everyone is given a chance to go with their respective cemetery, right? And to visit their loved ones. Kaya, ang ginagawa nila is like, nagtitirik sila ng kandila sa front ng houses or somewhere in the house. Just for, is to remember them. So, pwede nyo din siguro yun gawin. And, kahit siguro hindi nyo yun gawin, as long as may certain prayers kayo to just to give the souls of our past loved ones. So, kayo na bahala dun. Anyways, baka mamaya na tayo mag-film. Medyo, I just need to vent out. Medyo tong araw na to. I don't like it. Ito pa nakakatawa. So, di ba ang aga ko kanina? Tapos, sobrang aga ko, ikukwentuhan ko na tuloy kayo, no? Ng mga pangyayaring naganap. Kwentuhan ko na kayo. So, I was preparing for work and all. And, the bag that I'm using right now is yung bigay sa akin na bag. So, di ba may zipper yon, and then yung gilid niya may a bit of, hindi naman siya butas. It's actually built in like that. Yung parang hindi siya completely sealed, if you know what I'm saying. So, tapos, syempre I usually put all my stuff there. Ito pa, before I put my stuff there, yung, like, my head, it's just like something is whispering, like, check the key, check your key if it's in there. And then, at the back of my head naman, sa katamaran ko, I didn't remove anything from my bag. I carried it last night, and last night, diba, I was out. So, kasi may pinuntahan na akong unexpected na burol. And, so, yun na nga, guys. So, syempre, I was really tired when I came back sa bahay. And, natulog na ako. And then, I just put my bag at the bed. So, syempre, parang nakapahiga siya. And hindi ko na siya pinansin the entirety. So, yun na, going back nun sa umaga na papasok na ako sa work. Papasok na ako, tapos, sinasabi na ng utak ko na, i-check ko yung kung nandun yung susi. And then, sobrang confident naman ako, nandun lang yun. Wala naman akong ginalaw dun or anything. Then, nilagay ko na yung other. Punong-puno na yung bag ko. Parang ayoko nang magkalkal ulit sa ilalim. So, nilagay ko pa yung books. Ito yung binavlog ko. Diba? So, nilagay ko doon. Tapos, sobrang pagkalagay ko doon, kakatawa kasi, puno na siya. Syempre, pupunta na ako sa work. Pagdating ko sa workplace, and I was, as usual, opening the door, and I was looking for my key. Then, kinalkal ko na naman yung lahat ng bags ko. Nilabas ko isa-isa yung mga laman nun. And oh my God. Guys, wala yung susi. So, syempre, na ano naman ako nun. Na demoralize naman ako. Demoralize early in the morning. Na demonize. Naiinis ako kasi, di ba, as may gut feeling ka na nga that you have to check, hindi ko pa rin chinek. And look what happened, iwan ko yung susi ko. And I was, rushing, asking someone for help that I need to go back. And kung hindi, lagot tayo kay doktora, ganito, ganyan. So, yun. Buti na lang, may nagpa-escort na ako. I don't wanna do that kind of thing kasi ayoko I don't like asking for help as much as possible kasi ayoko yung burden them with your katangahan. But at that point of time, wala na akong choice. So, yan. Kinuha ko na. Then I went back home. And then I flew back to work. Tapos, yun. Paano ba? Yun. Then, nakuha ko na yung susi. That after a while, dumating na yung aking coworker. Naloka ko. Like, this day is extremely tiring. Not yung work is okay, but sometimes kasi yung nasabi ng patients, it's just too much. Kaya guys, grabe, parang pag nasa ka, siguro you'll understand me when you are working tirelessly. I mean, kasi 'di ba, I told you I'm so empathic and all. And then kaya I don't like humans kasi they don't operate the way that I do. So, kasi instantly I get it. I get what they want, what they need. I serve them so well. Parang, it's too much na nga It's too much. Other people won't do it. It's not gonna be their normal. But ako kasi, it's my normal to help and to serve them. So, naloka lang ako. Sobrang bad trip. Nakaka-bad trip talaga, guys. Yung first patient and after a while, after few patients, tapos may umisa pa na I'm hearing their murmurs. Murmurs outside the window. Buti hindi ko naririnig. Kaso, you know me, I'm hearing everything. So, muntik na talaga ako, guys. Magpumitik kanina. And I don't like myself when I'm mad. You wouldn't like me when I'm mad. So, muntik na talaga kanina. My God. Yung last time pa naman na nagalit ako it's too much. Yung dun sa court case. Yung dun sa kaso. I don't like getting mad. Because you're not gonna like it, guys. So, ayan. Buti na lang naging medyo okay naman yung mga after, but still, it's still toxic. Still not gonna be good for me in the long run. Kaya few moments na lang ang aking inaantay. Few months and I'm done. So, ayan na. Feeling ko yung kapag the system mga kupal, 'di ba? Alam niyo 'yun. Kasi I have, guys, I have the gift of discernment with humans, with people. So, alam ko kaagad what is going on. Tapos, syempre, dapat, ang gusto kong mangyari, ang maganda nito, dapat kapag kupal, mas marami yung kupal doon sa isang lugar. Dapat, kumbaga, they associate themselves with kupals din para pare-parehas silang toxic. 'Di ba? Patoksikan sila, ganun. Dapat doon sila. Ako, I'm out, guys. I can't do it anymore. So, papasalamat na lang ako kaya matatapos na ang aking pagtitiis at pagtitimpi. So, ayan. So, that's why medyo nag-film din ako. Actually, hindi dapat na tayo, hindi ba, magbabasa. Kailangan ko lang habaan yung aking pasensya. And, yan. So, okay pa naman to, as long as it's verbal. Hindi siya okay, pero ino-okay na lang muna natin. Kasi, syempre, pag nasa field ka ng nasa health ka, guys. Grabe, ang talaga, so toxic. So, sabi nila normal na daw yun na ganun. Ina-explainan pa ako nung iba't iba kong kaibigan na wala ka naman talaga magagawa, ganun. Syempre, yun ang point. Wala tayong magawa eh. Kaya tayo, mag-remove na tayo. Wala tayong silbi. I will remove myself in that piece of system. Anyways, ayan. Hopefully, okay lang kayo, guys. Syempre, pinaprioritize natin. I mean, you have to prioritize your peace of mind. Okay? And I've been sacrificing many things for this, and I thought it's for me, but maybe it's not for me, so it's okay. Wala naman din akong, no hard feelings. It's okay. So, ayan. Ano pa ba? Ikukwento ko sa inyo eh. Other than that, naisip ko pa kung yun, nawala. Wait lang, isipin ko muna, wait lang. Ayan guys, naalala ko na. So, kinuwentohan na naman ako kanina. 'Di ba? Hindi ko alam kung sinusubaybayan niyo yung channel ko. Or, this, yeah. So, sabi ko nga yung channel ko. Hindi ko alam kung sinusubaybayan nyo, guys. But, I've been, 'di ba? Sometimes, paano ba? Nag-i-insert ako ng mga topic. Ang pangit ng term, basta ganun, guys. Yung mga segue. Hindi segue, but it's actually a real talk, real shit that is going on and that is currently happening upon my uploads. Kasi, di ba, sinasabi ko naman sa'yo yung real day, real time. Tsaka one take lang naman to. Kasi, wala na tayong time, guys, mag-overtake and mag-edit. Kasi yung friend ko, busy din. Tapos, hindi nagmamatch yung namin ngayon. Yung mga schedules and the resources and all. So, hindi ko to mapa-edit ng maayos yung mga videos ko and all. Tsaka, kaya na muna. The usual. But maybe soon, if I have more time freedom. Then sa ngayon kasi I've been working out many things pa. Anyways, yung kwento ko nga, going back, baka mawala tayo. So ayan, nagkwento na naman yung isa kong ka-work And meron na naman daw nga na there is another case of suicide, 'di ba? Hindi ko alam, baka maban tayo na YouTube. So ayan, wag naman sana. Pero sobrang taas ng ngayon, case na gano'n, yung nagsusuwi, you know. So I think turuan nyo yung mga kabataan to be stronger mentally, kasi ang hirap ng I don't know what it feels like, di ba, if you lose a loved one out of suwi. So syempre, kahit sisihin pa natin ang sisihin yung victim, we don't really know what causes him or her to do that. Diba? Kasi sobrang patong-patong na problema. And it burst and wala silang na-vent out. They don't know how to vent out their emotions. And wala din silang napaghinga ng help. Diba? Help is not available right now. Hindi naman right now. I mean, most of the time, when you need help, diba, it's not available. Kaya dapat you know how to, self-check. Self-check, are you doing okay with yourself? Kaya nga ako, diba, ako ito, diba, kaya nga ako may channel, diba, kasi isa to sa way ko to neutralize many things that is not okay for me. Parang vent out machine, ganun. Pero hindi naman din. Siyempre, we help each other here. Kasi, I read for you naman, which is naman sa akin. Gusto ko naman din yun gawin. So, hindi naman yun it's not like I'm obligated to do it. It's a passion. So, yun lang sinasabi ko na take time to check on people. Diba? So, sobrang busy ngayon yung mga tao to find their resources every single day to survive. Hindi nila yun nagagawa, guys. Kaya nga, dapat iniiwasan na to take on more responsibilities. What I meant to say, hindi na natin ma-pronounce. What I'm trying to say is that, for example, hindi mo naman kayang bumuhay ng aso at pusa, di ba? Huwag kang mag-create ng more responsibility that you cannot, hindi mo siya kayang gampanan. Ano ba yun sa English? English nyo na, guys. Kasi matatalino naman tong viewers ko for sure. So, ayun. Dapat, yung responsibilities na kaya mong i-handle. Kunyari, hindi mo naman kayang mag-create ng isang family. A family that, hindi lang basta family ha, yung may resources ka as a family. Yung mas more paano ba? Yung nangingibabaw yung love. Kasi dapat sa isang family mas nangingibabaw yung love para hindi watak-watak. And of course, kailangan mo ng resources dyan. Maraming resources pag mas marami kang create na life force. 'Di ba? So, yan. Mga ganong bagay. Kasi, kapag hindi nyo, guys, nabantayan yan. Kunyari, may mga anak kayong mga babae at mga lalaki. Yan ang dapat nyo babantayan dyan na mas bantayan. Yung mga lalaki. Hindi yung mga babae. Dapat, yung mga lalaki na dapat i-train nyo sila to protect the weak, the children, and the women. 'Di ba? Hindi yung women yung magpo-protect from baliktad sa lalaki. Yung parang, magdamit ka ng ganito para hindi ka mabastos. Like, Sorry, basta ganun. Ganun kasi yung mindset ko eh. Bahala kayo kung anong mga ano nyo sa buhay. Basta, dapat yung i-create yung family, kaya nyo siyang tutukan. Okay? Kasi kung hindi naman, what is your purpose? 'Di ba? Ilang beses na namin tong pinag-uusapan ng mga people with high emotional intelligence and who are intellectual. 'Di ba? Because they understand things in a more deeper way, in a more logical way, in a more loving way, and caring way, and nurturing way. 'Di ba? Kapag hindi nyo kayang tumutok sa na mapalaki yung mga kids, kasi kids, they are the generation of the future. 'Di ba? Magke-create lang kayo ng more salot. More salot sa lipunan. Kapag hindi nyo sila kayang i-build to become better humans. 'Di ba? Kapag hindi nyo kayang i-correct yung mga mistakes nila, or 'di ba, okay naman din talaga mag-create ng mistake, basta kaya nyo silang i-transmute to become better individuals in the future and in the long run. Okay? Ano ba yan? Parang sinirmonan ko pa kayo ngayon. Basta, yun na yun guys. Wala ko lang naman magkwento nung nangyari sa work. So, medyo, ano lang ako. Medyo nakaka-drain. Talaga. Anyways, buti na lang sobrang mahangin yung ano ngayon. Yung ambience ngayong oras na to. Right at this moment. So, papahangin muna siguro ako sa labas. Medyo guys, I don't know what to do. Siguro mag-ano na muna ako, mag-nood ng mga happy vibe. Or baka bukas ko na kayo basahan. Hindi ko alam, depende sa aking mood mamaya. Basta ngayon, kinwentuhan ko lang naman kayo. Marami guys ang nakakaawa kasi pag nakakarinig ako ng ganun, kasi it's traumatic thing, 'diba? Yung mga suwi, yung mga ganun, ayoko nakakarinig ng ganun, kasi pag 'diba, when you're dealing with patients, lahat na ng klaseng kwento maririnig nyo guys. Lahat na ng kung ano-anong kwentong hindi mo maintindihan, cause, effect, para ka na dong nagi ka ng referee. Kami parang nagi ka ng referee, judge, police, yung mga cause and effect, why they do this, do that. So, maluloka ka na lang talaga. So, ako din, kaya it's important to always ask for guidance from the heavens. Okay, kung sino man yung sino man yung source nyo of enlightenment, bahala na kayo guys. It's on you. Wala ka naman, diba? Bahala kayo, kasi every one of us is built different, raised different, in a different dimension, country, continents, and planets. So, bahala kayo guys. Okay? So, ayan na. Chinika ko lang kayo ng kasi medyo nabigat yung ko ngayon. Pakiramdam. So, ayan. Tulog na nga tayo. So, good night. Thank you for listening to my rant. Hindi na dapat ako, yun na, nag-rant na naman tayo ngayon. Pero after nito, magbabasa na tayo. Later or tomorrow or in the following days, tingnan natin. Depends upon my sanity. Sige na, na kayo. Kumain kayo siguro ng ice cream. Pag or something cold and something sweet. When you're feeling down. Ako kasi tutulog ko na lang siguro to. Wala Ganun talaga. Tulog na lang natin to, guys. Sige na, good night.
Dime la verdad, porque siento frío.